Ever thought fishing was just a lazy day hobby? Think again. Professional angling, especially in the Bassmaster Elite Series, is as intense and competitive as any sport you can name. Picture this. You're out on the water, the sun's barely up, and the pressure's on. Top anglers are casting for more than just bragging rights, they're battling for prize pools that can top $1 million. Yeah, you heard that right. A single cast could literally change someone's life. No wonder these folks are called Bassmasters. But it's not just luck or a steady hand. These competitors are like chess grandmasters, but with fishing rods. They study water temperature, analyze wind patterns, and track weather changes down to the last detail. Ever seen those futuristic fish finders? We're talking advanced sonar, GPS mapping, and real-time data, all to outsmart some seriously sneaky bass. But here's where it gets wild. Science meets instinct. Anglers need to know when bass are biting, where they're hiding, and what lures will tempt them. It's about understanding the fish's biology, their feeding habits, even how water chemistry changes their behavior. You can have all the gadgets in the world, but sometimes it comes down to gut feeling and split-second decisions. And get this, most tournaments use a catch, weigh, and release system. The bass are weighed right there on the boat, then released immediately back into the water. Not only does this keep things fair, but it's also about protecting the ecosystem. These pros care just as much about conservation as they do about winning. It's a mix of adrenaline, strategy, and respect for the sport. Behind every $1 million cast is a lifetime of practice, a library of knowledge, and nerves of steel. These aren't just weekend warriors, they're athletes, scientists, and strategists, all rolled into one. So next time you see someone heading out with a fishing pole, remember, they might just be training for the world stage. Because in the world of competitive fishing, every cast counts, and sometimes it could be worth $1 million. Now that's what I call high-stakes fishing.